Hi, this is Brian Shepard from the floor of the CME Group. Today's action was pretty much a continuation of yesterday's little bit of bullish tone yesterday, and much of that's coming from the sovereign debt issues that's gone on, where they keep going the wax on, wax off of whether they're going to help them and to what degree of help they're to be expected. Today we had, on the opening of the regular session, we were up 6 handles on the opening. We had a low of the day put in just below that level, and from there on it's been up to 1204.5, I believe, is the current high of the day. There's been a couple 2 or 3 handle pullbacks. The volume isn't nearly as good as yesterday morning at this time, and last night's Globex session had about a little over 300,000 in the minis. Previous day we had over 600,000. So again, there's moderate size. It's basically what we've been seeing in the last few months of the volume, and I think that's what we're should plan on seeing going forward. So we'll call it average volume at this point. Today we had put out that we might want to sell the early part of the day, the first opening right after the opening, but we really wanted to be long, and today we followed that up through our intraday reports stating the same thing. As markets are firm, it doesn't discount that there could be a pullback here and there. We look for 1203 high early on and 1193 the low of the day trading range, early range. Now, as I said, we've been testing that upper end of the range. With this in mind, we believe you might be looking at a pullback towards the 1198 area, opening range 96.5. We don't expect a retest of that area. We can go up to 1207, 1208, and a little bit beyond that 1212 area would be really on an outside chance. There's been some chatter going around about the EU coming together with a much bigger package than what the reports are on TV. That package, would, if that is in fact true, and possibly announced over the weekend, what would happen is they want to dispel any kind of nervousness about the markets and about the EU countries. So with that, that may be part of this bullish scenario that we're seeing today. It certainly had something to do with the opening. We also believe it's month end and April expiration, and those generally have a bullish tendency to them as well. So everything compiled says that there could be and should be continued firmness in the markets. And last but not least, the Goldman story seems to be behind us a little bit for right now, possibly waiting for another shoe to drop there. But so far, everything's been answered, or at least thrown out there as we know it today. With that, have a good trading day and see you tomorrow.